it's already start. Yes. Come on, everybody. Once again, both hands up. You cover everybody. Inhale. Exhale, then arch. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Sorry. Lift your right leg up. Go down and touch your left leg. Bend your left leg and put your right leg down. Raise your both hands up. Inhale. Finger lock. Exhale, then arch and look up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come back, inhale, exhale, bend forward, your elbow straight, your back straight, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax, come back, inhale, exhale, relax your hands. Put your left leg back, downward, jump, both legs with your palm, raise your both hands up, inhale, palm together, exhale, both legs straight, and all the way go down, hold your ankle and touch your legs. Raise your both hands up, inhale, exhale and arch, come back, inhale, and now exhale, lift your left leg up, and touch your right leg. Bend your right leg and put your left leg down. Raise your both hands up, inhale, finger lock, elbow straight, exhale then arch. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale, exhale, bend forward, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come back, inhale, exhale, relax your hand. Put your right leg back, downward first. Bend your leg, jump, both legs with your palm. Raise your both hands up. Inhale, palm together. And exhale, then down. Relax your hands. Bend your right leg and hold your right big toes and right leg straight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, right leg on the right side, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now relax your leg. Bend your left leg, lean away,